A couple of days ago, specs leaked for the upcoming Vivo S30 and S30 Pro Mini. Brand itself has posted an official unboxing video for the latter device. The lineup will include a base Vivo S30 and a Vivo S30 Pro Mini. A metal middle frame and vibrant color options further enhance its premium appeal. The S30 Pro Mini will feature a 6.31-inch OLED flat screen with a 1.5K resolution. It is said that the phone could be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E. Feature a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 periscope camera, and a 50MP front camera. The device will pack a 6,500 mAh battery, the largest ever seen in a mini smartphone. It also supports 100W wired and wireless charging. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini may get rebranded as the Vivo S30 Pro Mini globally in July. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.